In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily edit Instagram Reels after posting. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then go to your profile. Here I got some reel that I posted a long time ago, and then if I want to edit this reel, all I have to do is just hit at these three dots and then tap at edit. It comes up with that options where first off I can change the cover for that reel. I can tap right here, and then I can edit from camera roll, or I can select any frame from the reel in that way, and then I can set it as cover. After that, right here, you can write down a caption for that reel. Also, you can tag some people, add location, edit paid partnership label, and if you open up advanced settings, right here you can let others use this reel as template, or you can refuse it, or you can also enable show captions feature if you want. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.